Do you want to attend a college with competent professors who genuinely care about students? Or maybe you're already in college and trying to choose courses taught by professors like that. If so, this video is for you. Welcome to College Unveiled, where we reveal the truth about colleges and universities straight from the inside. Today, I'll show you how to identify competent, caring professors before you commit to a class or even a school. Let's be clear, professors are one of the most important factors in your college experience. So here are 3 practical approaches you can use to find the good ones. Approach number 1, rate my professors. Yes, rate my professors. I know students use it all the time, but at the same time, they are not sure about the validity of the content there. Based on my own experience, the ratings and comments are generally quite accurate, especially when a professor has 10 or more reviews. Patterns matter more than individual complaints. Interestingly, when I look around, it's often bad professors who complain the loudest about their low ratings, questioning the legitimacy of the website. So if you want a quick, surprisingly reliable starting point, Rate My Professors is useful. It's not perfect, but it's informative. Approach number 2, official faculty profiles and CVs. Go to the official faculty profiles and CVs of the professors you're considering. If a college doesn't make faculty profiles easily accessible, that's already a red flag, especially if you care about getting your money's worth. Read the profiles carefully, particularly at research universities. Look for any mention of teaching. Professors who care about teaching often describe how they approach teaching, how they engage students, how they try to improve their teaching over time. Even a small mention of teaching is a positive signal, especially in research-focused institutions. Now, a caveat, just because a professor doesn't talk about teaching doesn't mean they don't care. But if you're choosing among options, look for those who do. Approach number 3, age, when all else fails. If you're still unsure, here's a practical tip: lean younger. Younger professors tend to be less condescending, more in tune with students, more responsive to feedback. They also tend to care more about teaching evaluations, which means even if they're not intrinsically motivated to care, they're at least extrinsically motivated to do a good job. That motivation matters. To sum up, if you want to find competent professors who actually care, use these 3 approaches. 1. Check Rate My Professors for consistent patterns. 2. Read official faculty profiles and CVs carefully. 3. And if all else fails, consider age as a practical signal. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. I hope this helps you make a more informed decision. Bye for now.